I'm Amma and this is my husband Chatura. We are so excited and thrilled to be here at Mile High Dreaming with you all because this is our first time presenting in a dreaming event. Thank you Mile High Dreaming team for giving this opportunity. And these are our sponsors. Without them, we can't achieve this event. So thank you so much for all the sponsors. And a bit about me. I'm Amma Gayatri Surangika, working as a lead consultant at MTX Group. I have 8 years of experience in Salesforce and 11 certifications including application architect, and I am a 4-star ranger, and also I'm leading the Salesforce admin community Orlando. So Chatura.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Chaturana Singha, working as a Salesforce consultant at Summit Technologies. Oh, okay. All right. So I'm Chaturana Singha, working as a Salesforce consultant at Summit Technologies, and I've been in the ecosystem since 2016. And I'm co-leading the Salesforce developer group in Orlando, and also I'm a computational neuroscientist.
Thank you. And let's see what we are going to discuss within this session today. We are going to see what is Salesforce Prompt Builder, and then we are going to see some of the key features and benefits of using it, and Chatur going to demo. And then we will see some of the best practices, and we would like to have an open discussion so that you can share your experience with Prompt Builder or any relevant AI tool. Before we start, we would like to know if you have experience in Salesforce Prompt Builder. Please raise your hand. Yeah, nice. We have a few. And do you know, please raise your hands if you know about Salesforce Prompt Builder, heard about Prompt Builder. Yeah, we have. Yeah, so nice. So we can have a discussion. Okay, let's see what is Salesforce Prompt Builder. Salesforce Prompt Builder is an AI tool that allows you to create AI prompts within Salesforce. So these prompts going to help you to enhance customer interactions and also automate tasks. So the main purpose is to improve the customer interaction by providing personalized prompt and automates various business processes. So you can see a picture of Prompt Builder, but you can see it properly during the demo. And let's see some of the key features of Prompt Builder. So one of the first feature I have highlighted here is conversational AI integration powered by trusted generative AI. So this is about using the advanced AI to create personalized and interactive prompts that can make the customer feels more engaging and contextually appropriate. These prompts guide the AI to perform specific function and increase the customer interaction by make them feel more personalized and effective. And then we have customizable prompt. So using the Prompt Builder, you can design prompts to deliver and address specific business scenarios or customer situations. So whether you need the prompt to generate emails or generate record summaries, or maybe you can do a field update by using Salesforce Prompt Builder. So Salesforce Prompt Builder ensure that you are prepared for any of these scenarios. And another feature is automated response. You can automate the responses by using the Prompt Builder, which will helps to keep consistent communication among all the customer touch points, which will not only enhance the efficiency but also improve the overall customer experience. And the final one is seamless Salesforce integration, which is a major advantage. You can integrate this Prompt Builder to your existing Salesforce flows, and you can leverage the CRM data to enhance and optimize operations. This is like an additional enhancement to your existing Salesforce environment, allowing you to make most out of your CRM. So those are the key features. Let's see some of the benefits why we want to use the Salesforce Prompt Builder. So one shout out benefit is enhanced customer experience. So using Salesforce Prompt Builder, you can design prompts that provide personalized interactions and timely responses that meets customer expectation. So these prompts can be via conversational chatbots or support agents, maybe using a content generation, Salesforce Prompt Builder ensure all the customer interactions are tailored and responsive. And next we have operational efficiency. By using Prompt Builder, you can automate routing tasks. By automating routing tasks, you can speed up the process and reduce the manual work, and also minimizes the risk of errors. This not only saves time, but also allow your team to focus more on important tasks that will improve the productivity of your team. And another benefit is data-driven insights. So using Prompt Builder, you can get more valuable data-driven insights, which will help in decision making and also in optimizing. So using the information it provides, you can identify the business trends and improve the processes, and also make better decisions, which will help to grow your business. And the last one is improved engagement. So using the Prompt Builder, you can create prompts that catches attraction and encourage the interaction. So this will help you to build a strong relationship between your customer, and also you can improve the loyalty. So those are the benefits I wanted to discuss, and it's time for the demo. Chatura, over to you.
Okay, cool deal. Thank you very much, Amma, for the presentation. Okay, before we get started, anyone from healthcare industry? Perfect. Anyone with a research background? Okay, that's fine. All right. So, as a computational neuroscientist, I'm as a researcher, I had to work with a lot of patient diagnosis data. I had to deal with different types of data sources. So the main thing is, for my research perspective, I'm trying to use Salesforce, because I'm trying to use Salesforce for my research work. It's kind of like an experiment for me. So in this scenario, I'm going to discuss about how I use Salesforce Prompt Builder to summarize my patient diagnosis information. Let's see in action. Okay, so in this scenario, I have created a sample record because I don't want to make it more complex. I just use a simple data model to represent patient data. Like we can have different types of basic information. It could be some different appointment information, treatments, as well as some lab results. Also, we can have some patient histories as well. So in Salesforce Prompt Builder, I'm going to use a specific prompt to generate this summarized information. And this is the place I'm going to store my summarized information. So I introduced a custom field called patient summary. I'm going to generate the summary of this record. I'm going to store on this field. Let's see how it works. Okay, so this is a cool feature in Salesforce. We can generate summaries. We don't need to do anything manually. I can just click on this button. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I asked my prompt to generate the summary of this record. It's analyzing and figuring out next steps. It's working. It takes a few minutes, it's not long.
A question while it's generating, does the Einstein component have to be on screen for it to work, or does the Einstein component have to be on screen for it to generate the thing, or
yeah.
Does it work in the background?
Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so I have received a detailed summary of this patient record. This is pretty cool. I can see this data in a structured way. Okay, but I would like to make it more shorter. So I'm asking my prompt to make it more shorter. See how it works. I don't worry about the typos. AI will understand that. Okay, this is also good, but I want to maybe with let's say 100 words. Okay, that's fine. So now I have received the summarized information with kind of like a character limit, the word limits. I'm going to use this summary in my record. So in order to do that, I'm going to click use. Once I do that, it will be populating on the patient summary record. So let's save the record to see the summary. All right, so this is the way we can use to generate summaries on records by using Salesforce Prompt Builder. Let's see what happens in backend.
Can you repopulate that field? Like if you did decide that you wanted it longer, can you go back in and re-put that little pencil icon and have it run it again?
Exactly. So you can do whatever you want by using prompts. So if you want to make it shorter, make it longer, you can go ahead and do that. Right. So okay. So for this scenario, I used Einstein enable org. It's a trial org actually. So for the first thing, we need to enable Einstein in this org. I have already done that, but I can show you how to do that. Go to Einstein setup. So the first step is we need to enable the Einstein. So I have done that. The next step is straight away we need to search prompt builder in quick find box. There we go. So this is the place where you can create prompt builders. So we can create new prompt from this button. As of now, we have like different types of prompt templates like field generation, flex, record summary. I personally like this field generation and flex templates because it's really helpful for my research perspectives as well. So in this scenario, I have used field generation. To create a prompt, you can give a meaningful name, maybe like patient record or something. And you can give a description if it needed. So in this scenario, I use a custom object called patient. So I'm going to use that one. Object field. So this is the place we can store our summarized information. So as of this scenario, I used patient summary custom field. So once you click next, it will generate a brand new prompt workspace for you guys. I'm not going to do it right now because I have already created a prompt template for this scenario. Okay, so this is the place we need to provide instructions. And this is the place we need to guide LLM to generate what we need actually. The main thing is we need to be more specific based on what we need to get. Then only we can use the LLM in a proper way. In this scenario, like I provided instructions, I said like always focus on my instructions and make sure to create short summary in a point form, including appointments, treatments, and patient histories. And also I defined some basic information of the patient and also included the related appointments as well, related appointments, lab results, and patient histories as well. So I purposely said I need them in point form. That's why I received that summarized detail in structured way. So this is the place you need to be more specific on your task. So in configuration, so we have two different types of module types, standard and custom. As of now, I'm using standard. And there are a list of models as well. For now, I'm using OpenAI GPT-4 version. And for the debugging purposes, you can use kind of like an existing record to see how it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to preview it. Oh yeah, good question. Yeah. Okay, so this is the way we can debug our prompt to see how it looks like. And I forgot to mention something. So how we can pull this data into our prompts. So this is the place we can access them. So we can we can access a lot of resources like flows, Apex, and custom objects. So we can provide this information by resources. This is the place we can generate them. And you can specify the field that you want to populate. And okay, this is the way we need to debug to see how it looks like. Okay, just a minute. Have you guys used this custom LLMs before? Do you guys have any idea of that? That is something I'm also searching because I'm trying to build up my own models and deploy them to Salesforce. If you guys know about this, please let me know because it's kind of like an experiment for me. All right, so this is the way we can define prompt builders in our Salesforce ecosystem and Salesforce environment. Over to you, Amma.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Chatura.
Can this tool search and summarize notes?
Yeah. So I can show you how to do that. So in this example, because I have defined in the prompt that I need to specify this related information, then only we can generate that.
If we have the notes subject, we can add the notes related, whatever the fields we want also to this prompt. So you can summarize.
Is the subject, or is it smarter where it can read the notes and actually summarize or pull out recurring themes and different notes? And the same with files as well?
Files, I haven't tried that, but that is something I need to look at.
Yeah, file may be in different.
Yeah, we need to check that as well.
I have a question on background.
Yeah.
Can it summarize like a set of notes, so maybe the 4 most recent like activities and those?
Those related stuff I haven't tried, but I think it should be able to because we can access some related information as well. Yeah, that's something I need to check that because this is kind of like an experiment for me because for my research work, I had to write a lot of reports. So I'm trying to use Salesforce Prompt Builder to streamline my process. That's why I won't try it.
If you click the resources again. Okay. You could probably specify a flow or something, only read back the first, or wait for record and stuff.
Maybe there can be some customizable workaround for that. That's something we need to try that.
Go ahead.
Is the prompt builder, for the object that you actually call the prompt builder on, does that have to be where the information is stored? Or can you have a can you refer to a related object to say summary on a contact information but on a different record, say, can you, you get what I'm saying, is it respect to the particular object you're going to be a cross object or related object search? Like if you needed information from another object that you wanted to get on a different object, can you do that in the prompt?
If you want to access different object, I think we need to go with Flex type of Flex prompt template because it allows us to combine different objects. I think there's a limitation up to 5, so we can do that in Flex type prompt template.
Question. Salesforce does not have a foundation model of itself, right? That's right, correct?
Yeah, I think
so. Under standard, you can only use OpenAI, GPT Cloud, or maybe Azure OpenAI and all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
What is the solution if I do not want to make an external code, even though the Salesforce managed, right? I do not want to have my organizational data sent out to external provider of these foundation models. Keep it within the Salesforce ecosystem itself. Other than the training one, you're training your own one.
That is something I'm researching on that because I'm trying to find out some different workarounds for that. But I think Salesforce doesn't provide the capability to do that.
And what's the difference between having your own OpenAI account, API account, using that code versus the Salesforce managed OpenAI model?
That's a good question. Actually, as of now, we can use the standardized models. If we need to use a different one, that is something we need to check it out because that's what I'm searching for.
That is the custom one.
Yeah.
We didn't use it yet.
And I'm trying to use it because I need to have a workaround to build my own AI models to Salesforce.
So my question is different. My question is I can have an OpenAI API account, I can have an API there, and I can directly call OpenAI models, right? Whereas we are like in the standard model type, I have option to call OpenAI models. What is the difference between this versus that approach?
That is something I need to check it out. I haven't. Thank you.
Okay, we are running out of time. Thank you, Chatur. I hope everyone enjoyed that. So let's try to wrap up quick. So let's see some of the best practices to use Salesforce Prompt Builder. The first one is effective use of prompt. So during the demo, Chatur was mentioning be specific, be specific. So yeah, in order to use these prompts effectively, you have to create your prompt clear and easy to understand to avoid the confusions, and also clearer your prompts, better the experience. And also you have to customize your prompts to fit specific customer needs and scenarios. Those are some of the points to remember. And let's see some integration tips. When it comes to integration, it is important to make sure everything works smoothly. So you can achieve that by using your existing workflows and data with prompt builder. So you can give a consistent communication between customers, all the customer touch points. And then one important thing to remember, regularly test your prompt to make sure it works as expected. So those are few tips for integration, and then how we can continuously improve our prompt. So one of the best ways, get feedbacks from customers. So using the customer feedbacks, you can modify your prompts to make it match with the customer expectations. Sorry. Using the feedbacks, you can identify the changes in customer needs. So you can refine your prompts to match those new customer expectation. And then also you can use the data-driven insights to improve your prompt, make it effective. So those are some of the best practices to remember. And now time for the open discussion. Who would like to share your experience? Best practices to remember. And now time for the open discussion. Who would like to share your experience?
I have another question.
Okay.
So in your demo, you showed how you define where the data is coming from, right? And then while you're a user, you said you refined it. So as a user, can you say?
Yeah. So in prompt, we can define them, and so let's take this example. In prompt, we can define them, and
so let's take like so. Let's say can you also pull information from?
Yes, we can do that. So let's say
we are almost over the time, but we would like if anyone wants to share the experience of prompt builder. Is there any volunteer?
yeah, because this is kind of like an experiment for me, as I said, because I'm trying to use Salesforce my research work, because I'm trying to implement something different and bring my own models to Salesforce. So I want to give a try with prompt builder, and it's easy for me to generate some summarized information for my reporting perspectives.
Actually, we self-learned. We didn't have any real-time experience. We self-learned about prompt build. It came last year, so we were so excited about that. So we went through Trailhead, we went through resources available, these resources, so we self-learned, and he used it for his research purposes. Trailhead, we went through resources available, these resources, so we self-learned, and he used it for his research purposes.
I don't know if you guys can answer, but does anybody know the pricing of Einstein to add on, or anybody know what it is?
Okay then. Thank you so much. Thank you for attending.